Rick Santelli is here with the results and the moves. Rick, how'd it go?
Well, it went pretty darn average. A yield of 39 billion reopened 10s hits 4.68%. Pretty much spot on with the when issued market for the most part. And if you looked at all the metrics, bid to cover 2.53, exactly the 10 auction average. And if you look at indirects and directs and combine them, very close to 10 auction average. The dealers took a little bit more than normal, 15.6%. The highest since August just of last year. So a straight C on the 39 billion. Second leg, of course, tomorrow will be 22 billion reopened 30s. But maybe the most interesting aspect of this auction is how much yields have moved on the long end, as you pointed out. We now have the 2s10 spread knocking on the door of 40 basis points. That's basically a fresh wide going back 32 plus months. And right now at 467, you're up 4 on a 10-year. You're down 1 on a 2-year at 427, which accounts for some of that 2s10 spread, obviously. The other issue we want to talk about is how great technicals work. That 30-year bond closed above 481, and you immediately basically had 10 basis points of quick profit. We want to continue to monitor where these breakouts occurred, Kelly, so we know when we come in backfill where these yields may hold. But right now, you could say yields are guns hot, as it certainly looks like we're going to test 4 3/4 on a 10-year and 5% on a 30-year. Back to you.
And Rick, is it true that after we got the ISM data this morning, the services data was stronger than expected? Job openings also back above 8 million. Now we're only expecting maybe one rate cut this year in the market?
You know, I don't get involved in rate cut roulette. It doesn't matter to me. I'm a market observer. I look at the same fundamentals as the Federal Reserve officials and many investors out there. And I was on the air when we brought out JOLTS. And the minute JOLTS hit, boy, the market just popped on the long end. And as you pointed out, the service sector numbers all improved except for the employment, which was the only one that wasn't sequentially higher.
It's amazing how JOLTS has become a top-tier indicator based on last month's results and now this month as well as it's strengthened.